Students, good morning. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Yeah, today we will be starting a new topic, which is already the Dear Departed 1 was very interesting. I hope it was very interesting, and I know it is very interesting. Okay, ma. So today we'll see the Dear Departed 2, which will be more interesting, ma. More interesting. Here, so long we saw like what the daughters, the son-in-laws, and the grandchildren were thinking about the old man. Okay, Abel Merriweather. They all thought that he was dead. He was dead. So, but they never knew that he will get up and come down. Actually, he was not dead. He was sleeping. He was sleeping in a drunken state. And after that, when he got water and came down, he will see the things, his clock, all down. And at once, even the chappals were worn by Miss Slater's husband. That also you will notice. Now see what happens now. And today, so long it was the turn of his daughters. Today it is his turn. You will see, this is very interesting, ma'am. You will see, very interesting. Come out, take out your page number. Okay, page number 45, ma'am. Students, page number 45. And we will see. Today it is the old man's turn. We will see what happens to the family members. You can see the granddaughter Victoria sitting here. The daughters all standing in the here. Means okay. We will see what is his advice and what are his future plans. His clock is here. Clock is here. Bureau is not shown clearly here. Bureau means this one. Yes, you can see bureau. Now we will see what happens and what does he tell his daughters and his son-in-laws. Come on, shall we start? Page 45, ma. Pencil also in hand. Students, shall we start? Right. The Dear Departed 2, ma. Abel, what's the matter with little Vicky? Vicky means what now? I say Vicky means Victoria, his granddaughter. So the Victoria's grandfather. What is the name? His name is Abel Merriweather. He'll ask, what's the matter with little Vicky? Why? Because Vicky was afraid, no? She thought her grandfather is dead. Whereas he was walking down from the steps. Being a small child, she was frightened. And she told her mother, is it a ghost? Okay, it's coming down. So he asked, what is the problem with her? He asked. He sees Ben and Miss Jordan. At once he is shocked to see his daughter and son-in-law, his other daughter and son-in-law, who came. Hello, what brings you here? How's yourself, Ben? Yes. So he asked, you said, no. See, I am surprised that you came here. What is the matter? And why did you come here? How's yourself, Ben? Yeah, he asks Ben. He asks Ben, his son-in-law. Because he is a wife of Jordan. Husband of Jordan. So Abel thrusts his hand at Ben, who skips back smartly and retreats with Miss Jordan to a safe distance below his sofa. So at once Abel thrusts his hand at Ben. He catches Ben. He sits down smartly. Okay, sit down smartly where in the sofa. Comes now Miss Slater, approaching Abel gingerly. Okay, Miss Slater comes, his daughter. She comes to her father. Okay, what now? Gingerly means frightfully. Father, is that you? She is afraid. Who was afraid? No, Miss Slater is afraid. She goes to him quietly. Dad, is it you? Because they all thought he's dead, no? They all thought he's dead. Is it you? She pokes him with her hand to see if he is in a solid. So they are still thinking that he's a ghost. Yes, they all are thinking that he is still a ghost. What happened? She pokes him with her hand, with her hand to see. Suppose if it's a human means he'll be solid. We cannot pass through. If it's a ghost, what is they concerned? They're thinking, the finger will pass through. Okay, they're thinking. But here, he's live. He's live. Actually, he did not die. He did not expire. They all thought he's expired. Abel says, of course it's me. Don't do that. Don't put your hand at me. Don't do. It's me. I am okay. It's me only. I am your dad. Don't do that, Amelia. What the devil do you mean by this tomfoolery? Why are you tomfoolery? What does the mean? What is the devil? What are your plans? Why are you making a fool of me? Abel asked his daughter, why are you playing fools with me? What is the matter? He asked. A father asked dad, why are you playing fools with me? Abel trying to catch the words. Now comes Abel trying to catch the words. So we'll see what does the Miss Jordan says. Miss Jordan, you took us by surprise, father. So Miss Jordan told her father, Dad, you took us by surprise. You gave us a surprise by coming down. You gave us a surprise by coming on. Are you keeping quite well? Are you okay? Are you healthy? She asked. Who asked? Miss Jordan asked her father. Asked her father in sense, Abel married her. She asked, how are you? Are you fine? Are you healthy? You gave us a surprise. You gave us a surprise. So, but he doesn't know what is the surprise. They were all thinking that he is dead, but he is not dead. So it was shock to them. So long they sat together, making the items which belong to him, because they were planning to share it. Who? The two daughters. The two daughters were planning to share it. Who? Miss Slater and Miss Jordan. His two daughters. They thought a father is dead. They thought that their father was dead, and they too are planning now to how to share the property which are remaining of father. But he gave them a shock by surprise by coming down. Actually, he wasn't dead, ma. He wasn't dead. He was just sleeping. He was sleeping in a drunken state. Abel trying to catch the words. What? Yes. He asked, what? You asking? I am keeping well. I am solid. I am strong. What do you want? And what are you expecting to say? Yes. Abel, I am right enough, but for a bit of headache. So Abel said, no, I am perfectly alright. I am perfectly alright. I have no problem. Only what I have is I have a little bit of headache. He says he's having headache, ma. Headache means head pain. Looking at Amelia. Now he looks at Amelia. Amelia, what the dickens did I do with my new slippers? So he looks at Amelia and says, what the dickens did I do with my new slippers? What did I do with my new slippers? His father's slippers were given, were given to another one. So at once he says, what happened to my slippers, Amelia? He says, who says? Father asked, because his slippers are missing. Miss Slater, confused. Aren't they by the heart, father? Miss next year caught. Father, they are upstairs, no? They are upstairs in your room, no? But aren't they there? How they'll be there when she gave it to her husband to wear, no? In the first topic, she gave the slippers to her husband, no? Because she said, no, see here. In the first topic, he told her husband to wear the slippers, no? So now she's telling her father that she's acting here and telling her father that the slippers will be upstairs only. But the slippers there, slippers are not there. Abel says, I don't see them. Yes, how can they be there when the daughter gave it to her husband to use? Observing Henry trying to remove the chappals. See now. And Miss Slater gave it to her husband to use it. Who? To Henry. Miss Slater's husband is Henry. So already Henry is wearing the chappals, wearing the slippers. Now he is trying to remove it. At once Abel observes him. Why have you got them on, Henry? So he asked his son-in-law, why are you wearing my chappals? My slippers. Slippers means sandals. Okay, ma. So at once he asked his son-in-law, Henry, why are you wearing my slippers? What is the problem? Why are you wearing my slippers? At once he asked. Who asked no? Abel asked. So Miss Slater, his daughter, replies promptly, I told him to put them on to stretch them. So she says, no, she's covering her husband now. Telling, I told him to put it on to stretch them. Why not? They are tight. To stretch them. They were that new and hard. Now, Henry, this is what I said, no. Miss Slater covering her husband, saying, see, Dad, those slippers are new for you, no? And they were tight for you. And they were hard for you. So I told my husband to wear them on to make them stretch. Make them stretch so that they will fit you correctly. Miss Slater snatches the slippers from Henry. So first of all, she gave it to her husband with love and affection, saying that no, your slippers are old and you wear them now. She told her husband. Remember the first topic, ma? The first page is still from Henry and gives them to a. Now see, the daughter shows herself. She removes the chappals from her husband and gives them to her father. Why? She's afraid of her father. Her father means whom? Abel Merriweather. She's afraid of her father, Abel Merriweather, who puts them on and sits in the armchair. So at once her father, Abel Merriweather, puts on his slippers and sits in his armchair. Here you see, armchair. Okay, ma? Sits in his armchair. Miss Jordan to Ben. Well, I don't call that delicate. So delicate and tender. Means not strong. Miss Jordan says to Ben. Miss Jordan tells Ben. Well, I don't call that delicate. Stepping into a dead man's shoes. Such age. So she said, no. Miss Jordan told Slater's husband, see, I don't think it's good. You are stealing the shoes of a dead man. You are stepping in the shoes of a dead man, she says. Victoria runs across to Abel and sits on the floor at his feet. So, see, here at once Victoria, a granddaughter, She runs across the floor and sits next to her grandfather next to his feet. You can see her? She's sitting next to her grandfather next to the feet. This is Victoria, Abel's granddaughter, and Miss Slater's daughter. This is your today. I told you now. See how they behave now. So long they never knew that the dead father or the dead person will come back alive. But they thought he was a dead person. But here he was not a dead person to come back alive. He was a sleeping man. He was sleeping. Why was he sleeping? Because you will see in the next cinema. He was sleeping mainly because he was drunk on that day. Due to his too much drinking, he slept hopefully. And his daughter, Miss Slater, and her husband thought that he died, he had expired, and they called for who they called for? They called for the sister and the brother-in-law, the co-brother-in-law and the co-sister to come down, and they wanted they didn't want even to go and see his dead body. Here they started to share about his property, whatever he had, the remains, the furniture, the schemes, whatever he paid. This is what was going on. Finally, this man gave them a surprise by coming down after he slept a long time. After his sleep, he came downstairs, and then he was shocked to see his second daughter. He was shocked to see his other daughter and son-in-law. At once he asked them, "What in heaven you came here? What in heaven you came here? And what are the topic you came here?" He says, "Who to Ben and Miss Jordan." Ben and Miss Jordan. He asked Ben and Miss Jordan, "Why have you come here? What happened? You came here?" He asked. But he never knew that Miss Slater and her husband sent a telegram to Ben and Miss Jordan to come as fast. Why? Because they were sure that the father died. But here what happened? He gave them all a shocking treat. That he came back down. He was not dead, he was sleeping. So we will continue the topic, ma'am. We'll continue the topic and we'll see. From here it will be very interesting for my students. Topic will be very interesting. So today I complete topic, ma'am. And in the previous class, as day 9 I think so, I gave you all the grocery. To read items. So today, not grocery. Today I want you all to the grammar part. I think I completed the grammar part for you all, no? Did I not? Yes, I completed the grammar part. No, did I complete the grammar part? Yes, I completed the grammar part, ma. So today I want you all to complete 10 and 11. No, wait 1 second. 8, 9, 10 and 11 in your CW, ma. Complete CW as your homework. But remember, I already completed CW when we had classes. When we had regular classes, I completed it. If you are completed, means well and good. You are lucky. Those who didn't complete this in your classwork, please complete it in your classwork, ma. Complete in your classwork and send it to me in WhatsApp, ma. Even this also you have to complete in your this you have to complete in your which book? In your SW book. So I will check it and I will send the answers. After you all complete the homeworks, then I will send the answers to you all, ma. Okay, students? Am I clear till? So today your work is complete the CW. Okay, ma. The center part, page number 8, 9, 10, 11. So this is your homework. Okay, this is your classwork as homework, ma. Am I clear, students? Bye. Take care, ma. If any doubt, students, I'll be ready to help you all, ma. But once again, I'm telling you all, many of the 10th class students are not posting the homeworks, ma. The next class, I will mention the names guarantee. Okay, students? Bye. Take care.